Hi everyone, my name's Andrew. I'm the archaeologist for the Greenwich Park Revealed project, and I'm here on a windy site today to talk about maritime Greenwich and the archaeology of the park. We've got the Roman temple, we've got this site here, and we've got the observatory behind us over there. So at this site we've got about 30 mounds. They look like sort of upturned teacups or saucers. They're about 1500 years old and they date to the Anglo-Saxon period. And the centre of each mound there was a burial. And when they were excavated in the 1700s, all of those graves were removed and the finds were taken away. We do have some drawings, but we don't have a lot of other information about the site. But the reason the site's important is because it's very rare to have upstanding mounds surviving in the country. There are probably, this has about 30 or 40 mounds on this site, so it puts it up amongst the most important barrow cemeteries in the country. So why am I here? This is a scheduled ancient monument where the barrows are. It's also a site of rare acid grassland, which is great for pollinators. But as you can see, we're standing on this horrible old path here. It was a desire line, and then the Victorians covered it in gravels, and now we've got tarmac over the top, but we think that the park would be better without the path. So, as part of Greenwich Park Revealed, we're then going to be removing this path. So this path, you can see here, this tarmac path, which is probably 20th century, is covering the Barrow Cemetery. So we want to remove it so that we protect the cemetery better. And also, by removing it, we're hoping to learn about the cemetery and what was actually underneath this path. So we're hoping we'll see maybe the edges of the Barrow Cemetery, the ditches around each grave, and also perhaps some of the other finds that were dropped here over time, because we know this path's been here for probably about 200 years now. So once the path's removed, we'll work with our colleagues at Historic England to understand what the archaeology is telling us about the site, and then be able to tell the story of the site afterwards.